Hello everyone, today I'll be talking about maintaining good mental wellness. I'm a Bullis Student Tutor, and in this video we'll be talking about tips and tricks that can contribute to maintaining healthy habits and overall increasing mental wellness. The first thing I want to touch on is your attitude. Change the way you treat yourself. Humans have over 6,000 thoughts a day. You're in the driver's seat of what you're telling yourself. By replacing simple phrases like I get to with I have to truly make a difference. The way you program your brain to feel before you do something you don't necessarily want to do can subconsciously shift the way you think about that activity. Saying that you have to study an hour or saying I get to study an hour can really change the way you treat that study time. The next thing I want to talk about is doing what makes you happy. I'm sure you guys have all heard the phrase that life is so short, but really it is. In this day and age, it's easy to get caught up in spending time doing things that you feel like you have to do. You should do those things too, but it's important to carve out a couple minutes every day to do something you truly enjoy. Even 15 minutes, biking, baking, or doing something that makes you happy can really increase your whole mood and your attitude for the whole rest of the day. Exercise. So studies show that even 30 minutes of exercise can increase your mood, contributing to a better mental well-being. You don't have to do a hot yoga class at 4 a.m. every morning to get this outcome. Just carving out a couple minutes to simply get your heart rate up can increase the serotonin in your body and leave you in a better mood than what you started in. Goals. So I think this is one of the most important slides of the presentation. Keeping simple goals allows motivation that contributes to bettering yourself and becoming the best version of yourself. Declining mental health can be accountable to a lack of motivation. That's where these goals come into play. By keeping your mind motivated with simple goals like I want to do 1 hour of studying for human geo can really increase your motivation for the rest of the day and keep you striving to be the best version of yourself. Practicing gratitude. So everybody watching this video has tons to be grateful for. It's easy to not realize what you have to be grateful for until it's gone. And I want to talk about how the grass is not always greener on the other side, and you have to take advantage of what you have. It's too often where people don't realize how beautiful they have it until it's gone. So be grateful for your school. Be grateful for your friends. Be grateful for your parents. Be grateful for the little things can really increase your mental well-being, and realize that the grass is in fact not greener on the other side. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you pulled out some tips from this video, and make sure to check out the other videos on this channel. Bye!